Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we got a Toyota Camry and I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight bulb. Alright, and there's a low beam and a high beam, so it's very simple. All you do is you go to the back over here and there's a connector here, so all you do is you push down on this connector right there on the tab here, and you push down and the connector will come off. And after that, all you do is you simply turn this counterclockwise and your bulb will come out. You see this orange seal? Make sure that comes out with the bulb, and sometimes it'll stay behind and your new bulb will not go back in. This is an H11, okay? The bulb size is H11. So all you do is get a new bulb. Do not touch the flare here. You get a new bulb, you go back into the spot and you find that, you see these earlobes, the same spot you took off. You have to go back to the same spot, so that's where you pulled out from. All right, and you turn it clockwise and your bulb is in and you connect it, and your high beam bulb is over here. It's the same thing. You push it down on the tab here and the connector will come out. Other than that, same thing. This is what size bulb is this? 9005. So same thing. All you do is you turn counterclockwise, the bulb comes out and you get a new bulb. You do the same thing like I showed you earlier on the low beam. You put this bulb in, find the earlobes where they sit, and you turn it, and hopefully I got all the earlobes in. Yup. And you turn it clockwise, and then you take your connector and push it back in, and that works pretty good. All right, so your turn signal is all the way down. It's the same thing. You turn it counterclockwise, you pull it out. On this one, you do not need to disconnect the wire harness, and all you do here is you pull out the bulb. This is a dual flare bulb. It's orange color, and there's a number 7443. You can plug this bulb in either way, okay, this way or that way, and you stick it in, clean it up. If you touched it like me, I'm gonna clean that up, but I do want to finish up the job because with one hand I cannot. So same thing, you find where the bulb sits properly, and then you simply turn it. All I did was turn it. It was hard to see, but all I did was turn it clockwise. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. We'll see you in the next one. It's the same process on the opposite side here. It's a little bit difficult because of the battery, but it's the same thing. Okay, low beam is easy, very simple. All right, thank you, and bye-bye. See you on the next one.